Hey you guys, welcome back to today's video, and I am so excited to do this video. I've been wanting to do one of these for a while, and it is a full face of Dollar Tree makeup. We'll just say almost a full face, because I've been having to hunt around for, you know, something that almost matches me or close to matches me. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump right into the video. I have not peeked at any of this stuff yet for the colors and how they look. So this is gonna be like first impressions, first trying this out. So let's go ahead and let's jump right into this video. So first I wanna start off with the eyes, and this is a new brand that I just came across, Beauty Intuition. And I really think this is a very cute palette. It is very like, it has like that warm, I want to say like warm kind of undertones, and I'm a very warm eyeshadow kind of person. They do have this one from LA Colors, and I really like this palette as well. I've used it before, and I mainly like these two shimmer colors that I'll just put on the eyelid, but we're not going to use that one today. We're going to use this one. Let's go in with that brown. It's actually showing up a little bit. I don't even know if you guys can really see it, but yes, I needed a denser brush for this eyeshadow, just so I can get it on the lid. I think I'm going to use my finger for the shimmer color. It's not a bad color. Okay, so it's coming out. So the brown here is not the same brown that I'm getting like on the eyelid. This is more of like this color that's coming out. Interesting. All right, and we're just playing around with this today just to see. I'm not looking to do any big or like crazy look, just something simple. Just so you know, this is for people who, I am very much a drugstore girl when it comes to makeup. So I am always hunting, because not everybody wants to spend $40, $50 on eyeshadows or concealers or foundation. Some people, you know, that might not even be in their budget. They look for something more affordable, whether it be from Walmart or whatever. So that's always my reason of when I go to the Dollar Tree. I know, you catch me at Dollar Tree, catch me at Walmart, catch me anywhere, I am looking at the makeup. Because that's just, I am very much a save your coins. It doesn't need to be expensive to work. Just still kind of blending that eyeshadow color. I'm not mad at it, to be honest. Not mad at all. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do is I just wanna take this cute little champagne-y color. We're gonna use our finger, and I think I'm gonna put that right on the lid. And sometimes your fingers are your best tool. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna take this little palette, and we're gonna go in with this brown color over here, just on the edges, just to darken that up a little bit. And I don't think I've even used this brown out this palette yet. We're just gonna see how it works. Shimmery brownish kind of look. I'm actually really liking it, and I still have the shimmer right there in the front. I really like it. I like it. And usually when it comes to Dollar Tree palettes, I will be quick to say I don't like it. There was one from LA Colors that I used maybe a couple weeks ago, did not like it at all. Just, oh no, tossed it. But that palette, this one, because they do have other colors in this palette. So this LA Colors in, I guess it's Haute, H-A-U-T-E, Haute. Well, this palette, this brown one, and the Moody Neutrals palette by Beauty Intuitions. If you see these at your Dollar Tree, I suggest buy it. And I have two eyeliners. I have an LA Colors eye marker, this brown, and then I also have this Beauty Essentials. I also have this black liner and I actually kind of put it on my finger. You might not really be able to see it, but I think I'm gonna go in with the black, and we're gonna do a little black, not even a wing, just like a little black line. All right, I'm gonna have to finish this other wing off camera because yeah, I can't. Okay, liner is done. So next I'm gonna go in and we are just going to curl the lashes a little bit. So we're gonna go in also with this eyelash curler from the Dollar Tree. So we have the Big Long Lashes once again by Beauty Intuition mascara, and I have the one that's Big Long Lashes. They had another one that was the volumizer, but I just rather just have nice long lashes to make them look like I have falsies on. Speaking of falsies, don't forget to check out my how to apply individual lashes video in case you have not seen it, and just make sure you catch up with me in all of the previous videos that I made. And I also liked it because it was purple, and like my favorite color is purple, and just a normal looking wand. So we're gonna go in and put on this mascara. Let me go in with this. My lashes are like clumping together. I don't know if it was the mascara or I was just putting on too much at one time, which I just kind of, it has like a smell to it, not like a stinky smell, but I actually like that smell better than some of the mascaras. Let's see, are y'all able to see that lash? They look lengthy. They definitely look lengthy. Okay, I'm not mad at it. We're gonna see how this goes because I have the essentially, they're both by Be Pure, but I was trying to see if I could find this one in a deeper color, but the deepest that they went was medium deep, and this is the essentially Ageless Hydrating Serum Foundation. And then I did see this hydrating tinted moisturizer in a tan, and it does look a little bit deeper than this one. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna mix the two together and see how that comes out. Pray for me. Okay, so this is the color that I got from mixing. So I can already tell that that's probably gonna be a little light for me. Because let's see, my Makeup Revolution is warmer than this, so I can already tell right at the bat that no, this is not gonna work at all. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try. All right, I might just use my fingers today. Yeah, like I thought. I like the thickness. It's not bad. Okay, so coverage wise, love it. Like, I actually like those two mixed in together. All right, so we're gonna do some on the forehead and then on my nose to cover up. And I actually had like a spot on my nose that pretty much just covered up. Color wise, a little off, but I'll tell you what, the coverage on it though is not bad. I like the coverage. Coverage on it is not bad at all. Like, even the discoloration I had around my nose pretty much hit it. And you can tell on my neck where the color is different. Yeah, and I can tell. So I had to go down the neck with this color or these colors. But like I said, I actually like the foundation. Just Dollar Tree, can we please get a better selection of colors for your like foundations? Because these two together, the hydrating tinter, the hydrating tinted moisturizer. Oh, the Be Pure hydrating tinted moisturizer with hyaluronic acid, along with the Be Pure Essentially Ages hydrating serum foundation, together gave me something good, and I really like it. So we need more colors in these for everybody that's darker than a medium deep. All right, so next we're gonna do a concealer, and once again it's the Be Pure, and this is the hydrating under eye concealer. I got this one in a medium just so it can be a little bit lighter than what I am, and I'm terrified because of how light it looks in this tube. So we're just gonna go in. Oh baby, that's light. Oh, let me show you on my hand. You see how light that came out today? Okay, so what we're gonna do is trying to figure out how in the world I'm gonna do that. I'm only gonna take a little bit, not a lot, how I would normally do this. Down the nose, on the chin. Alright, so now we gotta take a different, we might just use this brush. We're just gonna, I don't have any beauty blenders in front of me. I normally use a beauty blender for a concealer, but we're gonna try this and see how it goes. I didn't want to use too much because incredibly light. And I think we're gonna use some more, because why not? Why not? We're gonna go all in. How I would normally do my makeup. Alright, we're gonna take the finger and we're just gonna pat that in. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to set that with the infused press powder. Is pretty much like a translucent powder. I actually saw Juicy Jazz use this on a couple videos ago. So we're gonna go in with this powder. I like the smell. Oh, okay. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, that powder, what I tell you, got rid of the shine and smoothed that under eye out. Okay, the powder is a definite. Powder is a definite. You hear me? Okay, love it, love it, love it. This powder is definite. You see how like quick that just blurred the under eye? This powder, if y'all can even see it on the screen, this powder, yes, definitely. All right, so let's now, I did not see any liquid blushes or bronzers. Everything was pretty much powdered at mine, and like I said, my foundations and stuff weren't any darker than what I just used in the video. So we're gonna go in and we're gonna use a Be Pure, once again, Essentially Ages, a blurring press powder, and I have it in medium deep once again. So let's see what this looks like. I have my Micro Smooth from Sephora. They're a little close in color, not that much of a difference. I like. I normally like using powders to really blend in like a blush and a contour whenever I'm doing this. I like. So there was no contours at my Dollar Tree because, okay, so this bronzer is not a bronzer for me. This is just, it's too light. Like, it looks dark when you're at the store, but then when I use this, it's a highlighter. Like, it just blends in with my skin. So I had no bronzers from the Dollar Tree, so in that case I would just use something that I already have. So let's move on And we're gonna move on to blush, and once again it's another Be Pure blush, and it is a luminizing blush. So I assume it has some kind of shimmer to it. All right, yep, I can see it from the pan. So we're gonna go in. Ooh, it's very pigmented too. Beautiful color. Beautiful color. I have very much become a blush person, and I just put it right along the cheek. Right along the cheek. And we're gonna go up. Ooh, okay. Let's see. So we put the blush on, and we are sticking true to the video. There was no contour, so in that case I'm not going to put on any contour for the sake of this video, because we are going to stick true to what I found at the dollar store, and this is just full face. Of course the eyebrows is the one thing that is not Dollar Tree, because like I said, I've never had any look. I forgot what I said, whatever. Just we're gonna go ahead and let's finish up the bottom of the eye, and we're gonna go back in and we're gonna use a little brush. We're gonna go with this brown again. Let's see, and we're just gonna do that bottom. So we're gonna go back in once again. Oh, I'm getting foundation everywhere. So let's go back in with the mascara on the lower lashes. My battery is about to die, so I think we're gonna go in with Keepers. The first one I picked up, how quick I decided against. It's not bad. My battery's about to die, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be back tomorrow. Like I said, I'm getting this hair done, and we will come back. Yeah, we're gonna come back with like how I felt about this makeup. And I also got my hair done like I said I was going to, and I actually cut all of my hair. All right, you guys, so we are back, and it is the next day, and I really liked that foundation from the Dollar Tree. It's just the color was off, so I'm hoping one day that Dollar Tree does some kind of way extend that color range, so that more, well, not the Dollar Tree, but the brand that, you know, they work with, where they get that product from, that they start sending out more products for the women who are darker than medium deeps or tans. But everything else really liked. I know I said I love that blush, I like that blurring face powder. Those are must-haves. And then also those palettes that I had from LA Colors and Beauty Intuition, I believe it was. Really like that one as well. Like I said, that one has at least 3 or 4 other colors in those particular palettes. But that is it for the video. I don't have that foundation on today. Today is just my MAC Studio Fix powder, or however you say it. But that is the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to watch my previous videos to catch up with me, and I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to follow me on social media as well. I will leave everything, all links down below in the description box, so just go down there if you want to, you know, follow me, do whatever you need to do. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.